I started this YouTube channel almost 20 years ago. Back then, I was just sharing music. In 2007, I started teaching online. And over time, that grew into Accordion Love. Lessons, workshops, office hours, a worldwide community of learners. And that's continuing. Lessons continue, office hours continue, Accordion Love continues. Teaching has been a huge part of my life. But over those last 20 years, I've noticed something. The most connected I've ever felt to music and to life has been when I'm playing with other people, learning songs, asking questions, sitting in the room when something unexpected happens. For a long time, I've mostly been in teacher mode, and I love that. But I also want to publicly step back into being a musician who plays. So I'm starting something new called My Musical Life. It's a public series where I reconnect with old friends, meet new musicians, jump into jam sessions, and explore how music actually lives in people's lives. It's not just about accordion, it's about understanding music across instruments, across genres, and how it connects us. If this kind of musical exploration resonates with you, channel memberships are now open. Think of it less as paying for content and more as supporting live music, helping keep these collaborations and conversations happening. Members, you'll get a badge next to your name, so you're visibly part of this community. You'll get access to live Q&A with my guests and behind-the-scene moments. Accordion Love is where we understand music. My Musical Life is where we live it. Hope to see you over there.